ALA, you mean alpha-lipoic acid? No, there's a different kind of alpha-lipoic acid. It helps relieve diabetes symptoms according to some studies. You don't need a gym to get in the best shape of your life. So, first things first, do you know someone with diabetic nerve pain, diabetes, or something like that? Let me know in the comments. According to the book, The Secrets of Underground Medicine by Dr. Richard Gerhauser, MD, Germany has had the answer to peripheral neuropathy for years. ALA is a powerful antioxidant that I use in my own practice. A major study out of Germany looked at nearly 1,300 people with diabetic nerve pain. The results were incredible. After getting infusions of 600 milligrams a day for 3 weeks, patients saw major relief from their neuropathy. For example, they experienced less pain, decreases in prickling or burning sensations, improved sensation to stimuli such as pinpricks and touch, as well as better reflexes. That's right, they began to reverse their diabetic nerve pain in just 3 weeks flat. Since I always like to include at least 2 sources, so you know that one source isn't just making stuff up. I have by the MountSinai.org paper here, article, and it reads, Alpha-lipoic acid is an antioxidant made by the body. It's found in every cell and helps turn glucose into energy. Under the subtitle Diabetes in that same article, and I quote here, it says, several studies suggest alpha-lipoic acid helps lower blood sugar levels. Its ability to kill free radicals may help people with diabetic peripheral neuropathy who have pain, burning, itching, tingling, and numbness in their arms or legs from nerve damage. So if you enjoyed that, give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to stay updated on me, as well as get a whole bunch of fitness and nutrition advice, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I put a link to some videos I think you might be interested in the next little bit, so check those out.